Okay, welcome back, friends. This is a Sub-Zero ID-30 all freezer. Customer called me the other day, said there was a lot of ice in the freezer, in the drain, so I went there and I checked it out. I told her to defrost it. I came back the next day and here you see me checking the defrost heater. I'm hooking it directly into power and checking the amperage draw, and everything looked normal there. And this is a special harness assembly that I made up for checking defrost heaters. Now here, I'm using warm water in the syringe to make sure that the drain is not clogged up. And as you can see, it's clear, it's going down, so that's not the problem. So right now, I'm at a loss as to say what exactly caused the problem. I know the heater works and the drain is clear, so I'm gonna put it back together. And we're going to try it out, and told the customer to just let it run, and if it ices up again, to give me a call. It's very possible maybe they left the door open. Anything is possible. So here I'm putting the sensor, hooking the sensor back up for the freezer. And there's just 5 screws that hold that back panel on. Right there. Pretty simple. Okay, so here we're going to reattach the power cable, and there's some guide pins in there that you have to line up, and then you turn the little wheel to the right clockwise to lock it in place. Then you put the cover back on, and then your drawers go back in, and then make sure that the cable underneath the top drawer is in that little socket there, that little keyway, so that it doesn't get tangled up when you open up the door or close the door. So sometimes that can get tangled up and prevent the door from closing, which I think in this case could have been related. Okay, that's about it. You get everything buttoned back up, check everything, make sure your doors are closing properly, and that should be it. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope that helps. See you next one.
Okay.